Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you the current Droid VPN settings that give free internet access to YouTube, Google Maps, Facebook and WhatsApp. So in these settings I'm going to use the TCP settings that I've just recited. So what you have to do is that before you begin, subscribe. Members, before you begin, you subscribe, you like, you share, and you put in your comments. So let's get started. Download VPN, Droid VPN from Google Play Store. It's around 10 MB, so download it, and thereafter we'll open our app. So when you open our app, okay, we'll open our app, and thereafter, if you don't have an account yet, you'll click on the three dashes, and then you click on account to create your own account. Okay, so from there, after creating an account, you'll come to settings, and then you click TCP and HTTP settings. Okay, from there you click on TCP, remote TCP. You open it, and then you put 80. We are putting 80. Okay, hope that is clear. We are putting 80. Then in local we are putting 80 as well, and thereafter we are going back. Click on the back arrow without changing anything else. So from there we are going to go to ICMP settings. Then you choose ICP mode, choose quid. Members, you are choosing quid sec. Okay, so you leave the MTU scan turned on. So from there we are going to go back. We are going back, and then from there, so we are going to go to VPN settings for the VPN connection. Leave the first four unchanged. These ones the way they are. So from there you will open MTU. From there you will open MTU size. You put in 1024. Okay, so you can leave these ones the way they are. Then you go back, you go to UDP settings. So you open UDP settings, you leave the port the way they are, leave these ones the way they are, don't change anything. Then go back, and thereafter you open your Droid VPN. So you reopen Droid VPN, it is there opening. So you click on start and give it time until it connects. You wait until it connects. So they'll tell you that server full, but keep connecting until it connects. Keep starting until it connects. You keep starting until it connects. Don't get tired of pressing the start button until it connects. You keep starting until it connects. You keep pressing the start button keep starting until it connects. So it has connected successfully. So that's how we can set up our Droid VPN settings.